How to delete token from Phatom wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can delete up our token on Phatom wallet. So if you are also looking out on how we can do that, these are the process we may follow and we should be able to easily remove our token from Phatom wallet. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Phatom wallet in your device and make sure you are logged in into your account. And after you're logged in, you'll be directly led over to this interface. So in this interface, you can find up all of the tokens on your screen directly. And you may just need to scroll down a bit and you can find up the option called Manage Token List. So you can look up for your tokens right here, and below you can find out this option called Manage Token List. You can just go ahead and tap on it. So when you tap on it, you will be finding all of the available token list here. If you can't find it here, you can just go ahead and use up the search bar at the top and use up that in order to look up for your token. And when you find up your token, in order to remove this, all of this token will have a toggle option right beside them, from which you can either turn it off or turn it on. So in order to remove them or delete them, you can just go ahead and turn it off like this by just tapping on it, and it will be removed from your Phatom wallet. So that is how you delete up your token from your Phatom wallet. So you can remove it like this. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you have got any questions. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one.